In this video, I'll show you how to save a Google Slides presentation to a USB flash drive. So what you need to do, you can go ahead and open the presentation. You can do that in Google Slides, or if you go to Google Drive, you'll be able to go to recently. If you've recently edited the presentation, you can access it here. Either way, you need to get to the presentation. Once you're here, you can go to File, then go to Download, and you can download it as a PowerPoint file. This is a perfect file to move to a USB disk. So once you've downloaded your file, it will stay in the downloads. So we can either go and open that up from the browser, or if we open our File Explorer, we can go to Downloads, and here you should see the PowerPoint. Now what we can do is right click and copy this. And we need to go ahead and insert the USB drive. Once you've inserted the drive, you'll then be able to see it, double click on it and open it, right click and paste the PowerPoint presentation onto the USB. Now we can exit out of File Explorer, go to the upwards arrow, right click on our USB drive and eject it. We can now plug this into another computer or use the file locally.